106 or 49.
That's the one you're taking? Huh? Potato?
114, ma'am. 114 eh.
Okay. Well, where are you gonna put the potato? I'm gonna share the. Where's the highlight? Oh, I can't do the highlight yet. Oh Lord. You gonna put it right here?
Ilang kilo sa limoncito?
Ay, cabrón. Following my baby around. My baby's shopping for
Small one.
limoncito. Small one? Like this? Put it right here. Small. More? This one's open.
Narate ito nga yan.
Tarate.
Or 1/4 behind. 1/4, 1/4.
Tarate. The way she talks. Tarate. What are we gonna get next? What are you getting next? Oh, I'm gonna do them. Highlight is it's saved. Highlights. We are following my wife around. Eggplant.
Pila yung repolyote?
Eggplants. You're gonna buy cabbage? Cabbage? How much is the cabbage? 55. Oh wow. Oh baby's a big shopper, baby. My baby's a big shopper. What is this right here? Oh, this is like oh yeah, that's what I thought.
Pila? Yan niya pa rin. 35 yan?
How much?
35.
35. We're just gonna buy one. My baby buying cabbage and a super coke.
No.
That's it. Where to next? How much?
Dagan na ng 1/4 natin.